接你慢慢做发水说。Nancy, are you coming? Thank you for your patience. I did say bear with us last time.
Yeah, for those that know me, my name is Conrad. I'm one of always one. His name to be one of our Lord's best friends, he has to be useful to it. So that's how me and the circle that we had What became his best friends. I realized usefulness. From the, I gathered from all the eulogies yesterday from friends, family members, some of the key traits of their character, Lloyd, that was quite common, kind of bonded all of us together was Ole Guru and Sisi Ole Kakalea. It would have made him a very talented politician, if you think about it. In fact, whereby he would have been a good team, going to the next election. His mouth is faster than the fast party. But anyways, joke aside, I got down some points from his relationship with the team. So basically, I came across this guy in 1997, Numale Whitby White, that's a Form 7, and I came from Robert Louis, we were same class with Gina. We had a small class and everyone was quite close. And Aloy was a St. Joe. So I remember it wasn't the first day, but it was, I think, the first week. And okay, we level and there was benches down there, like meet from the other colleges. And on the other bench, there was all the St. Joseph boys. And there was this boisterous, almost bordering on annoying, jesting and loudmouth making fun of the newbies. And I saw him, and he was sitting there, his right-hand man, his lieutenant, Lapepa, in the cap. And he saw us walking down. We were going to introduce ourselves, to everyone. And I looked at him, I kind of saw him in the corner of my eye, and I remember he went like this. And he had that look, he was like, another mischievous sort of look that he does. And unfortunately, he didn't grill us in front of everyone and came around, got friendly, introduced himself. Back then, the St. Joseph boys all had nicknames, and Lloyd was JK. So I didn't know his real name was JK. I didn't know who it was until later. JK was the famous old athlete, John Cohen. So when I found that out, this guy's really good rugby player. And I remember the games that we could ride that I used to compete with the Polytech and I think it's Teachers College. And we were all excited now, finally going to see JK. And on the wing, and he forced himself, not on the wing, but he forced himself and played halfback. And we were kind of disappointed, we were going to see some real speed from this guy. But, I think halfback really suited him. He, every rock, across from the other side of the field, he hit his mouth. And that was a Lloyd Young. He would drop the ball, make mistake, and thought he was a ref, and he was, oh, ref, ref. And that was him on the rugby field. So he really sort of kind of befriended all of us from Robert Louis. And he was really friendly, and he started abandoning his St. Joseph group of friends. And I was wondering why. And found later, only when he's after something, he gets really friendly. So he wanted to get close to Katrina. They can cast another thing. Trina, I never seen a bigger person in my life. He made sure that everyone in that compound that knows that Trina was her friend. And some of the memories from Trina and Louis' relationship that I hear, remember, we're in this class, technical drawing. It's a personal class, and Trina was the only girl with her good friend Anna, and the rest of the boys. The class is up at the Polytech, so the NUS class used to take us up there as after hours class. And Aloy and Trina would kind of sit always, Aloy made sure that they sit in the front of the bus together. And it's us a bit conservative. We don't like to show affection in front of them. But Aloy was quite progressive at the time. He would put his arm around in front of all of us, and the boys were all, ooh, and Aloy wanted the attention, so he kept doing that, and so everyone was like, giving the attention. So that phased out, everyone got used to it, and Aloy needed to come up with something else to keep the attention on him. So up at the class starts around about 5:30, and 9 it starts halfway through. And we have all the technical drawing boards, and everyone would be heads down and focused, drawing stuff. Even the teacher, Julius, not Reverend, he would be likes to join in with drawings and heads down. And Julius will always break our concentration when he looks up and goes, where's Aloy and Trina? And everyone heads up and, well, you can't find them in the room. So, I don't want to talk about where they go, but anyways, Aloy kept doing that. I think it just to, get us keep talking about it and making fun of him. He loves it. On the bus, way back down to Manila. Those are my memories of these two back in '97. Towards the end of '97, I had a leg operation, which put me in hospital for 3 months towards the end of '97. And I remember Mari and Toma came around to visit me. And we were all chatting, and then the room was it's about 8 people per room up at the hospital at the old Life. And we got big laughter from the next door, the room next door. And I'm like, wow.